In modern warfare, technological advances have changed the way battles are fought and have upset the balance on the battlefield. A prime example is Ukraine's use of drones that look as if they're made from cardboard, Corvo PPDS, to attack and deal significant damage to Russian forces. Have you ever wondered why a drone that appears simple, like a child's toy, could destroy Russia's multi-million-dollar fighter jets? Imagine a surprise attack on the Kursk airfield in Russia, not only damaging 5 fighter jets, including Mig-29s and Su-30s, but also destroying expensive air defense systems such as Pantsir and S-300. The silent warriors behind this assault are the Corvo PPDS drones, compact, affordable, yet causing headaches for Russian forces. This highlights the unexpected effectiveness of low-cost drone technology in confronting modern military machinery. Why wasn't Russia, with its experience from previous conflicts and advanced air defense systems, adequately prepared to handle this form of modern warfare? While Russia had thoroughly prepared for the war, Ukrainian drone strikes have revealed numerous limitations in Russia's defense systems. These small but weaponized drones, operating in swarm formations, have penetrated what were considered invincible defense layers. Russia's electronic warfare (EW) systems, which were expected to serve as a barrier against UAVs, also struggled in the face of Ukraine's relentless creativity in changing control frequencies and exploiting enemy vulnerabilities. Can Russia maintain focus and resources to intercept a large number of low-cost but highly innovative drones like the PPDS? So, what helped Ukraine overcome the disparity in military power? It's the spirit of innovation and constant creativity. By leveraging international support, such as the Corvo PPDS drones provided by Australia, Ukraine not only uses drones for reconnaissance, but also converts them into dangerous attack weapons, also known as kamikaze drones. These drones are equipped with GoPros to gather information, carry munitions to destroy targets, and can even be used as decoys to disrupt Russia's air defense systems. This raises the question: is creativity and adaptability the key to helping Ukraine maintain its tactical advantage? All these factors show that Ukraine fights not just with strength, but with intellect and innovation, turning seemingly modest resources into a strategic advantage. The combination of simple yet effective technology and determined spirit has created a powerful impact on the battlefield, forcing Russia to continually adjust its counter-tactics. In today's video, we will analyze in detail the design, effectiveness, and strategic use of the Corvo PPDS drone, along with important lessons this seemingly simple weapon offers for modern warfare. So please like the video and stay with me until the end to explore how these cardboard drones have been and are changing the course of the war between Ukraine and Russia, and whether this could be the future trend of drone warfare. Are you ready to discover this technological breakthrough? Leave a comment saying, "I'm ready." When it comes to the Corvo PPDS cardboard drone, many people can't help but be surprised by its simple appearance, yet it carries an incredibly formidable attacking capability. To understand why this drone can inflict such serious damage on the opponent, let's analyze the core factors of its design and how it operates. First, the outer material of the Corvo PPDS is made of wax-coated cardboard. While it may initially look like a toy product, this special wax coating helps the drone withstand moisture, and it can even fly in light rain without deteriorating. This is a crucial breakthrough because using a lightweight material helps reduce production costs and makes it more convenient to transport the drone in a flat pack form, often likened to the size of a pizza box. Next, in terms of size, the PPDS has a wingspan of about 6.5 feet, close to 2 meters. This wingspan allows for stable flight, even at an average speed of about 37 miles per hour, nearly 60 kilometers per h. In terms of weight, without a payload, the drone weighs about 5.3 pounds, a little over 2.4 kilograms, which is extremely light compared to traditional military UAVs. Despite being small, the Corvo PPDS has a notable payload capacity of up to 6.6 pounds, around 3 kilograms, enough to carry various types of cargo. This capability enables Ukraine to utilize it for multiple missions, ranging from delivering essential supplies to carrying warheads for attacks. One of the reasons the PPDS gives Russian forces such a headache is its stealth capability. With a cardboard frame and a small engine, the drone is difficult for radar to detect, as radar signals typically reflect strongly off metal and hard surfaces. The PPDS can also switch off or limit its emissions in flight, minimizing detection through electronic signals. Furthermore, the drone's operational range of up to 75 miles, about 120 kilometers, lets the operator skillfully navigate it close to the target before initiating an attack. Not stopping there, the Corvo PPDS also makes a strong impression in terms of durability. According to reports from the manufacturer and feedback from the Ukrainian military, each drone can be reused up to 60 times if it's not shot down or seriously damaged. This rebirth capability means that the military can save a significant amount of money while speeding up redeployment and consecutive operations. In terms of operation, the drone is controlled via an Android tablet, where the operator only needs to input GPS coordinates and flight parameters. Notably, when it arrives in the target area, the PPDS can operate in semi-autonomous or fully autonomous modes, limiting human intervention and reducing the risk of signal interference. Since March 2023, Ukraine has been receiving regular shipments of these drones from Australia, about 100 units per month, significantly improving Ukraine's aerial combat capability and its ability to deliver surprise strikes against Russian targets. In summary, from a simple design using wax-coated cardboard materials to a flexible payload capacity, high durability, and advanced control methods, the PPDS powerfully demonstrates that low cost does not mean a lack of effectiveness. These advantages have enabled Ukraine to turn the Corvo PPDS into a formidable secret weapon, forcing Russia to remain on constant alert in modern warfare. To better understand how the Corvo PPDS drone was developed and its original intended use, we need to revisit the story of Sipak, a defense technology company headquartered in Australia. Founded in 1992, Sipak initially focused on consulting and systems integration for the Australian military before gradually expanding into research and development of automation and unmanned systems. Around 2018, a group of engineers at Sipak introduced the concept of a low-cost drone with a minimalistic design that could still meet critical needs in military and rescue operations. This was the seed of the Corvo PPDS, Precision Payload Delivery System. At that time, Sipak's core goal was to create an aerial device capable of both reconnaissance, such as taking photos and videos to monitor ground activity, and delivering supply packages, bandages, blood, food, medicines, to hard-to-reach areas. According to several official reports from Sipak and the Australian military, each Corvo PPDS unit costs between USD 670 and USD 3,350 to produce, a very competitive price compared to traditional military UAVs, which can go up to hundreds of thousands of dollars. Thanks to its low cost, the Corvo PPDS can easily be mass-produced and rapidly deployed in the field. Its initial purpose was entirely non-offensive, focusing on logistical support, delivering essential goods and medical aid to troops on the front lines or in dangerous areas. It wasn't until early 2022, when tensions between Russia and Ukraine escalated, that this drone truly caught international attention. Increasingly, evidence showed that the Ukrainian military had flexibly weaponized the Corvo PPDS, turning it into a kamikaze drone when necessary. This was beyond Sipak's initial expectations, but demonstrated the cheap yet effective design's potential for diversified missions. By March 2023, it was confirmed that the Australian government, within the framework of a defense aid package for Ukraine, had agreed to supply about 100 Corvo PPDS drones each month to support Kyiv's combat operations. Thus, although this drone was initially intended purely for logistics and reconnaissance, its flexible design, low cost, and upgrade potential have allowed the PPDS to move beyond its original concept and become a multi-purpose weapon on the modern battlefield. With its simple design and low cost but high adaptability, the Corvo PPDS hasn't been limited to logistical or reconnaissance roles. The Ukrainian military has boldly tested it as a kamikaze suicide drone. Around March 2023, when the first batches of PPDS were delivered to Ukraine, reports of arming the drone became increasingly common. Some versions were fitted with warheads weighing between 2 and 3 kilograms, enough to inflict serious damage on military targets. A major turning point came in late August 2023, when the Ukrainian military announced it had used the PPDS to attack the Kursk airbase near the Russian border. There, the drone allegedly caused severe damage to at least 5 fighter jets, including Mig-29s and Su-30s, and the Pantsir air defense system, which Russia considered a formidable shield against UAVs. Shortly thereafter, in early September, multiple sources confirmed a similar attack on the Pskov base, a key storage site for Russia's military transport aircraft. In these incidents, the PPDS again demonstrated its long-range capability, up to 75 miles, and its precise striking power by flying at low altitude and evading radar. Beyond kamikaze missions, the PPDS continues to serve core functions in reconnaissance and supply delivery. Frontline reports indicate that Ukraine has used this drone to drop packages of essential goods, ammunition, and medical supplies, as well as to mount GoPro cameras or thermal imaging devices for surveillance. Though the cardboard frame appears fragile, it's lightweight and supports a wide range of tactical scenarios. In short, with the ability to switch roles from transport and reconnaissance to attack, the PPDS is helping the Ukrainian military create an element of surprise that forces Russia to continually review and adjust its countermeasures on the battlefield. After showcasing its impressive performance on the battlefield, the Corvo PPDS was quickly brought into an upgrade and refinement process, with close collaboration between CPEC and the Ukrainian military. Initially, CPEC only provided technical support and drone deliveries under agreement with the Australian government. But following multiple rounds of feedback from the field, the company recognized the vast potential for the PPDS to be used on a larger scale, while also needing to meet increasingly stringent requirements in real combat conditions. One significant area of improvement has been the development of a new version with a longer wingspan, allowing the drone to fly more stably and better withstand strong winds. Thanks to this redesigned structure, the PPDS's maximum payload has also been increased from about 3 kilograms initially to 5 or 6 kilograms. This is especially useful when the Ukrainian military wants to carry heavier ordnance or install specialized surveillance equipment. Furthermore, in some tests conducted in the latter half of 2023, the upgraded PPDS variant showed greater endurance on long-distance flights, potentially extending its operational range beyond 75 miles to an even more impressive figure, though no official data has been released. To maximize its intelligence-gathering capabilities, the PPDS has also been fitted with GoPro cameras or other optical devices to enhance surveillance. Adding cameras not only allows operators to closely monitor drone operations and the surrounding area, but also provides real-time data to support artillery, missile, and special forces units on the ground. Some sources indicate that SIPAC engineers are also researching encrypted bandwidth transmission, which would reduce the risk of Russian detection and jamming. Thanks to these groundbreaking advancements, the Corvo PPDS is increasingly asserting its indispensable role in Ukraine's drone strategy, maintaining flexibility and preserving its cost advantage. Ever since Corvo PPDS was deployed on a large scale by Ukraine, especially in attacks on the Kursk airfield late August 2023 and the Pskov base early September, Russia has been forced to clearly adjust its defensive tactics. Instead of concentrating large numbers of fighter jets and helicopters in a single location, the Russian Ministry of Defense has dispersed its forces to multiple smaller airfields or moved them deeper into its territory to avoid becoming easy targets. This move is not only logistically costly, but also reduces the Russian Air Force's rapid response capability on the battlefield. At the same time, counter-drone measures, ranging from early warning radar systems and close-range anti-aircraft guns to jamming devices, have become less effective when facing the PPDS's low detectability, low-cost attributes. In many instances, Russian air defense systems have been tricked by decoy drones carrying no payload, while the actual PPDS drones carrying ordnance attack from another direction. This raises the question: can Russia maintain the focus and resources needed to intercept large numbers of cheap but highly innovative drones like the PPDS? Finally, it's undeniable that the PPDS has helped change the dynamics of warfare on Ukraine's eastern front. With Russia having to devote so much effort and equipment to defend against Ukraine's drone swarms, it becomes more challenging for them to maintain an offensive posture and launch rapid counterattacks. Moreover, the achievements of the PPDS, such as disabling multiple fighter jets and destroying expensive air defense systems, have bolstered the morale and confidence of Ukrainian troops. One could say that the emergence of the PPDS as a disruptive factor has helped Ukraine maintain a critical tactical advantage despite a disparity in equipment and manpower compared to its adversary. Reflecting on the development and application of the Corvo PPDS, one cannot overlook the growing interest from other countries in this unique drone. Beyond merely supporting Ukraine, nations in the Middle East, Europe, and even the United States have shown an eagerness to collaborate and acquire these cardboard drones. The resounding success of the PPDS in attacking significant Russian military targets has opened the door for SIPAC and other drone companies to continue research and development, while expanding the global market for low-cost, yet highly effective UAV technology. The future of drone warfare promises to become even more complex and technologically advanced. With the continuous progress of artificial intelligence and remote control capabilities, drones may go beyond serving solely as attack or reconnaissance tools and could automate more complex tasks, ranging from surveillance to rescue missions. As nations compete to develop UAVs, new breakthroughs will emerge, shaping a new battlefield landscape where creativity and adaptability are key to victory. It's undeniable that the Corvo PPDS drone has been and continues to be a game-changer in modern warfare. The successes Ukraine has achieved thanks to this drone not only exemplify the power of simple yet innovative technology, but also offer valuable lessons to military forces worldwide about the importance of innovation and flexibility in modern conflict. What are your thoughts on the role of the Corvo PPDS in Ukraine's war? Feel free to share in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss our next video. We look forward to hearing your insights on the rapid development of drone warfare. See you in the next video.